Vanakkam, Krishna Mckenzie. This morning we find ourselves in a beautiful corner of Oroville at the home of Sarah, who used to run Solitude Farm Cafe with me, developed many of the recipes there that she's now popularized massively on her amazing channel called Keep It Raw. And I want to show you this garden that she's made. I had a hand in getting her going and starting it, but it's an amazing work that she's done. It's really a lifestyle she's created. So let's go down this little path here and find it. Morning, Sarah. How are you? Wow. This place has changed.
Yes, sir.
Oh, you got a fence going there and everything.
Moringa.
Are they stems? Are they stems of
Yeah,
moringa?
from one tree that I have cut.
Oh, awesome! But you reused them immediately
Yes.
as a fence.
Some are coming, but some they struggle.
Wow.
Maybe when the rain comes.
Wow.
Survive. I don't know. It was your idea.
A little fence there.
Yeah,
It's great.
And I planted some bottlegourd and I don't know, not
Yeah.
much light.
Yeah, but who knows? Once they get a little angle and they can get off, they might make it.
Yeah. Exactly.
What are you doing? You've cut everything down. There's light.
Yeah, there's light. Well, this part is, it's not really. That's just
Wow.
first time I see the house.
Wow. It's
I
amazing.
want to plant papayas.
Right.
That I can. It's been
Right.
so long. I like it, the forest.
Right, yes.
But somehow,
Because the last time we did a video that went very, very successful, that last video, it was very dark, this was all...
yes. And here also, because there was this old passion fruit, in the mid covering everything.
Okay. But it's not completely died back. Or it has. Oh, it's completely out there. You've
The
taken
passion
yeah.
fruit, it was not giving fruit. It was
wasn't
like
giving-
3 years old.
Okay,
So
okay.
it was, but I planted new ones.
Okay. Oh, the tipple is still doing so well here, though. No?
Here it's full of
Wow.
pickling.
Wow.
Look, I will have so much.
Wow.
Now
So
just
good.
it's starting to
You'll have to do some recipes with tipple for people.
Yeah.
People are gonna love it.
Yeah,
It's so easy to grow. No, you break it off, plug it in.
exactly.
Nothing to
I
do.
keep on transplanting it in
Wow.
different places now.
Amazing. So show me what you're doing. What's happening?
So here in the back, not much. There are papaya trees. And then here we changed all the beds which were like this, no?
Yeah. We've
And
done them
now they're
across
like
now.
this.
Right.
And that's the great thing with the trenches, because to change it, the direction, I did not use any compost.
So you had all the beautiful organic matter from in the trench.
I feel like it's like mixed now, because when you change now the direction of the, exactly, because there are these big trenches.
But this bed is so beautiful. You have lady singles
Yeah.
and you have chicken, fish, basil, and mint. This is a real healthy bed, no? Amazing. Wow. So you've gone a bit more. You've made lights so you could do more of a production.
Yes. Yeah.
Okay.
Really.
Yeah.
Because I was still buying things, and my aim is really now to not have to.
So it's this
go
delicate
to
line in a food
anymore.
forest to have enough trees,
Yeah.
but at the same time have light.
Yes. And in summer season it was great because I had so many papayas. So when I have enough papayas, I have enough food actually.
Right.
But now, so it's just the papaya season is a little bit low. And then I realized I want some vegetables. So
But it's all
also,
gonna pick up, I think. No, it will
now,
all...
yeah.
And here, watermelon, potalaka, bottle goods, turmeric, long beans, rosella.
Yeah.
Oh wow, cucumbers.
Cucumbers in the back.
Oh, it's really cool,
Some more
yeah.
lazy cucumbers.
The basil, what's happening with that?
Yeah,
Is that seeds from me? That's another one.
No, this is another one, but on the back I have seeds from you. It's also that big. It's also huge.
But it's amazing.
But only since I made
You need
light.
you need 2 or 3 leaves, and then you have a meal.
Yeah, you can make wraps even with these leaves. It's like
Wow.
they're so big. I always wanted some big leaves to make
Wow.
wraps. So, yeah,
Wow. How about wraps in pumpkin leaves?
Ah,
Also possible,
we
no?
did it once.
We did it
exactly.
once, yeah.
That's great.
We did a lot of things.
With the young. Yes. True.
And your papayas are coming here and there.
Yeah.
I
Some
love
trees
this
I
thing,
had to
mate.
cut because they were really too big.
Right.
And then I have a small papaya nursery there.
Lots of radish, potalaka,
Exactly.
spring onion. Boy, you have enough stuff, no?
Yes.
It's really cool. So you made this bed around the coconut tree somehow.
Yes.
Right, yeah, beautiful.
Yeah.
You should consider pepper, black pepper.
I put
You got one? Yeah, it looks great. Yeah, that's it. So it'll grow up that coconut, hopefully.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
And some corn from your seeds.
Nice. Nice. And you got a back area there now.
Yes. I had it before, but now
But it wasn't so accessible
the
maybe.
plan is to
Oh, this is awesome here.
do a lot of amaranth and cucumbers.
And still another bed that you haven't used.
It's planned to transplant this pineapple, the bananas, a little bit to the back.
So you push this back again,
Yes.
creating more light. Okay.
And I think they need a new space because many are falling.
Right.
So I think it's not time.
Yeah.
Maybe take the small ones
Right.
and then make lots of papaya.
And this Mexican sunflower is amazing as a chop and drop, you know.
Okay.
We use it at the farm like a gliricidia. We
That's great.
just put it chop and drop. It's an amazing, amazing plant. You really sense a fertility, you know. I mean, that's you've been following this, valuing organic matter for so long now,
That's a very small trench there.
but
that
still
I
we
just
see
made new.
the result of this returning organic matter is
Yeah.
this lush abundance, you
And the
know.
longer you make it like this, the more you see really how it's changing. That's so amazing.
And all this work you're doing is basically you run it yourself.
Yes, and once I had somebody helping me here to dig the...
So for the infrastructure, a little bit of help, but afterwards you're all single-handed, no?
Yes, yeah.
And how many, because this is silly little questions that people do ask, like, how many hours a day approximately would you spend in your garden?
Maybe an hour average, but then there are some days that I
More.
spent much more. When I made it all new, I had so much to plant, no?
You
And
were
then
all day
mulch.
working.
Then it's like a full day maybe, and then again.
But on average you
One
could say
day
maybe
less.
7-8 hours a week, something like that?
Yes.
So it's actually not that huge amount of time.
Every morning a little bit, in the evening a little bit, you know, or something like that. Or I don't even, it's not even
You wouldn't,
considered
yeah,
as
you don't
time,
yeah,
or
me
you
too,
know,
I wouldn't
because
think about it as how much time do I
many
spend.
times I go into the garden and I don't want to do anything, and then I end up doing some new thing or some new.
Or when you
bed
go
or
harvesting,
something.
you'll end up half an hour doing some other job.
Exactly.
Yeah,
Then suddenly I'm weeding because I see things, or you know, yes.
nice.
So it's a place to be creative, the garden somehow.
Yeah, it's really
And
creative,
it's
no?
changing all the time.
Because you're an artist, no? You're a painter, no? That's one of your paths in your life, no? And this is somehow like an extension, I guess, no?
Yes,
With
it
these-
is. It is.
So somehow it's not only the food for your body, it's food for your soul very
Yes.
much, no?
Yeah, it is.
Just
It
the
is
being
really.
here. I think we're very linear how we look at food and gardening and how much time we have to spend, what money will I need, what will I get back. But I think those things are not so quantifiable, no? It's a way of life.
Yes, and once you start, suddenly these questions fall away, because you can start to have something really small, like even just one circle or a small bit, and then already it gives you so much back that you don't even ask how much do I have to invest. Yeah,
It's joy,
like,
no?
It's something.
Yeah.
Yes.
It's an energetic thing, no?
Yes.
For sure.
And you put little energy inside, and so much. Yeah, it gives you so much back. That, yes.
So you really have everything mixed everywhere, no?
Yes.
Cucumbers in every bed.
And I think this is wing bean or long bean.
This is
I'm
no,
not
this is
sure.
avrakai.
Ah.
The flat bean, the love bean.
Okay.
Yeah. Maybe you could maybe you could put some strings from here to the the cut mango, like that across, and maybe a couple this way, and let it creep. It could be fun.
Yes, that's what I left all the trunks actually to make this thing.
They're so
with the
useful.
Strings
Yeah,
for the things to grow.
it's so useful.
On top.
And you got your
The
pineapple.
pineapples that I keep on planting more and more.
Right.
So,
And you had a good amount of pineapple this year?
Yes, this year it's,
Nice.
it's really nice. So yeah, all the edge around the canyon is pineapples on this side and on the other side back there.
And tell us a bit about Keep It Raw. What's happening with that channel? You've done 29 videos now. Or?
Yes, there are 29 videos, like with short recipe ideas with local food from the garden. Now there will be more food in the garden because last few weeks there was not so much.
Right.
So yeah, these are just simple ideas how to use local food. Very easy and simple.
Raw and vegan.
Raw vegan. Yes.
Beautiful.
Raw vegan food.
So beautiful. And very informative recipes, like your
Exactly.
papaya juice is amazing. No, it's better than a carrot juice even.
It
no?
is, yes.
Yeah, so
my
nice.
substitute.
And your
carrot juice.
dehydrated crackers, I think those are amazing. And what was the other one? There's the coconut yogurt.
Yes, the coconut
It's
yogurt.
so beautiful.
Yeah, I just will keep on posting there some short recipes, and yeah, all with the garden, in connection with the garden.
Beautiful. You see this spinach here? Do you use this? This guy is amazing spinach to eat.
But it's not this one.
No, that's another one. That's a type of amaranth.
No.
This is good for your I don't actually know the name.
Wow, it's so nice.
It's so good in the salad. It's so tender.
It's super nice.
Yeah.
Okay.
And very good for your bronchi, all the lungs. You have to ask Nina the name. Nina's taught a lot of things to both of us, no?
Yes.
So she knows those names.
Yeah, these videos are great also. I really enjoy them.
Okay,
Learning.
well, Sarah, thank you so much for
Thank you.
showing us this morning. And if you haven't looked at Sarah's videos, you really, really should. Keep it raw. Hit the notification bell, subscribe to this channel, subscribe to her channel, hit her notification bell, and please give a big thumbs up to Tube Tumbi, who is our partner, bringing us Oroville YouTubers like Sarah and me and Nina Sengupta on Edible Weed Walks, all together under one umbrella, presenting the dream of Oroville, which is to come back to the arms of Mother Nature and to be happy in community, sharing local food. So see you next time. Thank you so much.